Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and those of you who are watching me for the first time, my name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. So in today's video, I will be not only creating a traditional proper daytime makeup look, but I will also show how to transform that daytime makeup look to a nighttime makeup look. That might be the case that you are staying at home at the daytime, and if you are partying at the night time and you don't want to redo your makeup, then you can surely watch this video and learn how you can transform a daytime makeup look to your nighttime makeup look. Trying के intro ज़्यादा लंबा ना हो, I want it to be very short. So I will begin by prepping my skin. Prepping your skin is very important, guys. And for prepping my skin, I will be using this Blue Nectar's green apple cream. This was sent to me in PR, but I have used it so much. Let me show you. It's empty. खाली हो गया है पूरा. I absolutely love it, and the review of this cream is on my channel, so you guys can check it out. Can come little bit closer so that you guys can see what is happening. So keep on moisturizer. Even if you are using water based moisturizers, just go with it. Moisturize your face, it's very important. I am using my lip balm to moisturize my lips. It's very important. Recently started using it, but applying primers is very important, guys. I'm using Lakme's one. It gives a very smooth barrier to your skin. There is a layer between your skin and makeup. That is very important. I usually forget to apply primers. I don't know why. So I whenever I'm trying to film a video, when I'm planning to film a video, I keep the primer outside only. Hope you guys are able to see that this area has become quite blurred. So yes, I'm opening this one. LA Girl Pro Concealer. I have used so many tubes, and this is my new one. I was running out of it, but I thought that I will show you guys. So, opening a new thing is so fun. So my shade is Pure Beige. Those of you who don't know, so I will usually right now what I am doing, it's a clean brush. So what I do, I generally recently I started applying concealers first, then I will go for the foundation. I see that how little I took, I don't want to apply more product. Guys, I am going from day to night transformation, so I am using foundation. Otherwise I would have skipped the foundation, because I'm pretty happy with my base right now, but we are going from day to night, it might oxidize or something, so we want little bit more coverage. So for that I'm using Faces Canada's foundation. I love this stuff because it is so lightweight, guys. I cannot explain to you. If you guys are looking for some good foundation that is very light for your skin, so I will definitely suggest you guys to try this one out. It's foundation to your neck as well, so that there is no difference between your face and your neck. I will highlight my this part, so for this I'm using the light shade of concealer, so that this part will get brighter and come forward. For that I'm using Maybelline's Age Rewind, and I will use very little. Whoop, whoop. That's it. The light shade of concealer you are having and you are using it for the highlighting purpose, blend it at that particular place only. Don't take and drag it onto your full face, otherwise it will look very white and very chalky. I will set my face using Maybelline's Fit Me. My shade is medium Moyan. So I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So I have little product over here, so using this only I will set my face. I will not do baking or anything. I will just set my face using the powder, for the simplest look, because I am trying to create a very beginners friendly makeup look. that like even someone who is starting out or who is doing the makeup for the first time, they can also do this. Like I'm following all the easiest steps possible. Your face is very important, guys, otherwise your makeup will start slipping off, because we are doing from day to night makeup transformation. So we'll be only doing the like eyes again, so we'll be keeping the base like this only. So we want that our makeup is locked and it doesn't budge. So take the powder below your neck, like at your neck as well. Okay, so now for my eyes, I am using Huda Beauty. So like I am going very simple for the daytime look. I will use only the like base eyeshadow and one color. That's it. I am using this shade Sandalwood, like it matches my skin tone. So I will take this one, dust off the excess, and will brush all over my eyelid. Like a base for the makeup. I am taking this like little bit of more brown color. I will put this color in my crease. Take the same color and put it in my lower waterline. So this is it for the eyeshadow thing. So I will not apply any eyeliner or anything. I will like keep it very simple. I will apply the mascara, so that like I will not apply any lashes or anything. So next product is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Like again, this is like repurchase. I have used so many pencils that I cannot like remember. So like I was running out of kajal and I thought that I will buy. I have other kajal, Swiss Beauty, Faces Canada and other brands, but somehow I keep going back to this one. I will apply it little bit. The next product is this Maybelline's Fit Me blush. So I have never used their blushes. Like I know, strange being a big Maybelline's fan. Like I thought I will give it a try, and I wanted to try blushes as well. Like it seems like it has like little bit shimmer to it, and the shade is rose. Like I think this looks so pretty. Let me open it. It's seal packed. It will be my first impression. So let's see how much I like it. Super beautiful. Look how the shade looks like. Let me try on. So I think it's best for the daytime, because I'm not going for any bronzing or contouring or anything. Just little bit of blush and that is it. I'm not doing anything else. So yeah, I'm loving it. My lips, now I am using Huda Beauty Trendsetter, like simple nude lipstick. Wear very light jewelry to complete this like daytime makeup look. It's very simple, guys. I am keeping it very simple. So now guys, this is my daytime makeup look. It looks simple, it looks elegant, you look presentable, nothing much like to, you know, it's not too blingy. I have not added any highlighter or anything. So now I will transform this like daytime makeup look to a nighttime makeup look with the same outfit, simple suit I am wearing. I will show you at the end of the video how the suit looks like. And yes, let's jump right into the transformation now. Also transformation also I will try to keep simple, because again on my channel I try to create beginners friendly makeup look or makeup tutorials that are for beginners. So yes, so I am taking the same Huda Beauty palette, and now I will go with this shade. It's little bit dark and like kind of matches with my outfit. My clean brush, yesterday only I cleaned my brushes. So yes, this dark shade and placing it at the end. I will take this flat brush and like take this very light shade and we'll do a cut crease kind of thing. You guys can carry these looks for weddings as well, like if you are a sister, bride ki sister, groom ki sister, relatives and all. So you guys can easily create these looks. They are quite simple. You can see I did a little bit of cut crease until the hair only. So I will take the same flat brush and take the dark shade which I was using and place it at the very corner. I will take this brush and like soften the edges. I hope you guys like it. एक भूतनी तो नहीं लग रही हूँ ना मैं. I will do a fine line of eyeliner. I don't know why, but I feel कि मेरी आंखें eyeliner के बिना थोड़ी incomplete लगती हैं. Guys, ये सब तो ठीक था. Now I will apply my eyelashes. Like let's see आज मुझे कितना time लगता है. I do want to apply eyelashes, so let's see. Guys, I'm back after putting my lashes. Like it took me almost half an hour. Like this, but I like thought अब मैं कर रही हूँ तो अब मैं करूँगी ही. So I will like darken my kajal. Now I will take my blush because I want like थोड़ा night time का makeup look है. So I will like do little bit of dark. So I will use the same angular brush that I use in every video. So tap off the excess. Apply my highlighter Maybelline का. So this is such a like blinding highlighter, like so beautiful guys. I just love it. Can you see the glow? अभी थोड़ा नाइट टाइम है तो वी कैन गो ओवरबोर्ड विद इट लाइक अच्छे से. गिव द शाइन टू योर फेस. Darken up my lips. I will go for blood red. Like this is my shade. The shade is Evita Red. It's a beautiful shade guys. Like let me apply it. Now this is my nighttime makeup transformation look. I switched up the jewelry. It's like little bit, although it looks heavy, but it's very lightweight. It's beautiful, and I like darkened up my like everything. Guys, what do you think about this look? And one more tip I would like to give to you guys, that whenever you are going with a bold eye look, then make sure to highlight this part. Otherwise like your face will look very clumped up. So guys, let me know what do you think about this look. I will be eagerly waiting for you guys, and if you guys want me to make any more videos, let me know that in the comment section down below. Links for everything, all the products that I have used, shades, price and everything will be down there in the description box. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye, take care.